All right, our mission today is to download and install Visual Studio Code. First, we will go to the website, which is called code.visualstudio.com. Let's install the version for Windows, which is the machine that I'm on. Let's open it up in Finder, install Visual Studio Code. I will accept the agreement. Gives me a path. Select Start Menu folder, click Next. And I'll just accept the defaults. So let's go ahead and create a desktop icon, and it should now be installing. Alright, so once we've installed Visual Studio Code, the first time you bring it up, you should see a screen like this. Go ahead and select a browser color theme, and I like to go with dark modern, but you can choose whichever theme you want. Once we've done that, I'm going to click off the welcome message, and now this is the Visual Studio Code environment. And the next thing that we're going to do is to make sure that the Python extension is installed. And the way to do that is we'll click on extensions in the left panel here. It should bring up Python to the top. If it doesn't, do a search on Python. We'll click the install for the Python extension. It's installing. It'll take a few seconds. Okay, so the Python extension has been installed. I will click off the extensions button and the welcome message. Okay, so this is we're now ready to use Visual Studio Code. Okay, now I've switched over to a Macintosh. I've installed VS Code on my Macintosh. It's going to look exactly the same if you're in Windows. And after we've installed VS Code, installed the Python extension, let's go ahead and create a quick Python program and verify that everything is working. So I'm going to click off the Welcome tab. We'll select Explorer, and we'll create a new folder or open a folder. And generally, I do all my Python programming in a certain directory. It's on a Google Drive. You can find whatever location that's convenient for you. I'll select the directory. Now you can go ahead and create the directory beforehand if it works for you. So I have a directory called Projects and one called Python. That's what I'm going to select. I'll open that. And I've already created a folder called VS Code Demo, and I'm going to open that. Alright, so now I'm going to say OK. Yes, I trust the authors. Click off the Welcome tab again. And here now I can create a new file. I've already created a program called helloworld.py or .py, but let's create a new app, and we will say hello.py. And the .py extension tells the Visual Studio Code that I want to create a Python script or a Python program. Let me hit return, and now we can go ahead and type our Python program. And this is going to be a very simple Python program. We're just going to say print hello world. Now we're going to go over all the steps in more detail in later sessions, but today we just want to confirm that our environment is working. So this is a very simple one-line Python program that we've created in Visual Studio Code. It just says print world. Let me save it. It's Command S on a Macintosh. And now I will click on the Run button to execute or run the Python program. And what that does is it opens up below a terminal window, and we can see here it's not very elegant, but the output does appear as hello world. If I change my program, hello world, welcome to VS Code, let me clear the terminal window down here so it's not as cluttered. And now let's go ahead and run the program again. And we can see that the output has changed from hello world to hello world, welcome to VS Code. So that does it. We've installed VS Code on our machine and successfully verified that everything is working. All right, so we will see you next time with our next mission. Take care.